Hey loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mal if you're new here, and we are doing a DESIO contact lens try on today, you guys. We have two brand new colors from their Attitude collection and I can't wait to show you them. So let's get right into it. A couple things you should know about DESIO is that they are made in Italy and they are high quality lenses. They're a luxury lens. They actually are one of the few brands that offer both positive and negative prescriptions. You also can get custom prescriptions if you have an astigmatism, and of course they're available in zero power as well. Because I'm always looking for a deal, I was able to convince DESIO to hook you guys up with a discount code, so use the code malrie at checkout when you're shopping for 10% off. Don't forget that I always link everything below, and using my links really helps my channel. I myself have definitely had some hits and misses from DESIO in terms of colors, but I'm very excited to show you these two new colors because they are so up my alley. Let's go ahead and try on the first pair. I'm going to actually show you the ones I'm wearing right now. These are a bold gray, and that's what they're called. Bold gray is described as an intense gray tone. They are rich in color and they provide a dramatic yet a natural look. Now this lens is made with a limbal ring on the outer edge, and they are calling these a part of the Attitude collection. They are two-tone lenses, so you're getting that limbal ring shade and then the shade across the iris of the lens. I would describe this gray as an anchor gray, and personally for me, this is a deeper gray color, which I appreciate. So many times when I try a gray contact, it looks absolutely icy, dramatic, and blue. But this is coming across as a true gray. They actually are really kind of reminding me of graphite from Swati, if you've ever seen those or tried them. These are very similar in color, and I quite like the style. Now, the other thing that seems to be different about these lenses is that they are a 14.2 millimeter diameter. In the past, if I'm not mistaken, I remember DESIO having lenses that were a lot larger, or maybe they just have some options that are larger, but these are meant to fit your eye and you're getting that enlarging effect with the limbal ring. Now, because of my skin tone and my overall undertones, I feel like warmer lenses do tend to look a little bit better on me. These are definitely more leaning towards the cool tone, so I could see them looking so gorgeous on somebody like the model here. She looks great in them because she has kind of like that olive undertone, but I feel like this cooler color just works better for her. That being said, let's try on the next pair, which is a brown, and this is much warmer and I think it suits me so well. So we also have deep brown. This is their other new color that they came out with, and this is a beautiful brown. DESIO describes it as a deep brown with a rich, warm undertone that adds depth and natural beauty to your look. I will definitely say I think this is true. They do give a natural effect, but they have a limbal ring, which is beautiful. I think it's very subtle looking. It's just a touch lighter. It gives a little definition. I would personally describe it as a tawny brown. I think it's very pretty, and they do have that enlarging effect, as I previously mentioned, which I quite like. I think with DESIO, overall their lenses are kind of meant to make your eyes pop and make them stand out. Although sometimes the colors can be natural, they give an enhancing look to the eyes. If you're looking for something that's really going to make your eyes pop, then that is what you're getting from DESIO. There are a couple of things that I want to mention about DESIO that I've noticed over the years of wearing them. So let me just recap my overall thoughts on DESIO and the new two colors that launched. When it comes to contacts from DESIO, my favorite collection is the Attitude collection. I've tried some others from some of their other collections and they haven't been my favorite, but I do really like the Attitude collection for the natural effect it gives and for that subtle limbal ring and that multi-tone on the lenses. I personally have had mixed experiences with comfort, but I will say these two new colors that I've tried have been very comfortable. I've been able to wear them all day with no problem, and I think that has to do with the actual diameter of the lens. I find that 14.2 is the perfect size on my eye, so it creates a very comfortable fit. There are a lot of brands out there that will give a natural effect and kind of blend with your eye color, but DESIO is one of the brands that creates a really more of an opaque look to the eyes and really enhances and changes your eye color. If you've been finding that you've been trying contacts and they haven't been making that dramatic of a difference on you, I think DESIO would be a good brand to try. Anyway, I'd love to know what you guys think about these contact lenses. What do you think about the colors that I tried, the new collection? I am ready to give DESIO another walk in the park. Like, I feel like I kind of forgot about them and I want to retry some of their colors. I really love Charming Green. That's one of my favorite green shades. So I feel like I should try some others. So let me know what your recommendations are, what your suggestions are from DESIO. And I want to know what you guys think about comfort, because I've heard mixed reviews. I've had mixed reviews. This collection is comfortable, but some of the others in the past I've tried have not been. So let me know in the comment section down below what your experience is. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Single on the body, boy. Take on the body, boy.